Hi, my dear students. Good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we are discussed some points about the sound. So now we are going to study some more important points about sound. That is, first, audible and inaudible sounds. Audible and inaudible sound. Audible means able to listen or able to hear. Inaudible means we unable to hear the sound, right? So before going to this content, first I want to discuss with you all music and the noise. So already in the last session I explained, but the music and noise is very important related to the audible and inaudible sound. Music. When the objects vibrate regularly, the sound is produced. That is called as or the pleasant sound is produced. That is called as music, right? And if the object vibrates irregularly, there is a unpleasant sound is produced. That is called as a noise. So unpleasant means nothing but harsh. The sound become harsh to hear or listen. That is called as the noise. So music and noise, pleasant sound, unpleasant sound, right? Regular vibration, irregular vibration. So mainly about the noise. If the sound is produced by the irregular vibration, so can we able to listen that sound? Can we able, or if it is irritate, that's a very important point. So at what range we can able to hear the sound? So that is about audible and inaudible sound. First, audible sound. So here the sound frequency. Frequency means the number of times object or the number of times the object vibrates in 1 second. So the sound frequency is or the 20 times the object vibrates in 1 second. That is the called as audible. Audible range. Start from 20 times the object vibrate in 1 second, and one more point, 20,000 times if the object vibrates in 1 second. So the audible range of frequency starts from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Means in 1 second the object vibrates in 20 times. In 1 second the object is vibrates 20,000 times. So the audible range of frequency is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It's a range, common range, normal range in all the human being, right? In all the animals, right? But here the sound frequency less than 20 Hz is called as infrasonic sounds. The sound frequency is less than 20 Hz is called as infrasonic sound, and the sound frequency is more than 20,000 Hz is called as ultrasonic sound. Infrasonic sound and ultrasonic sound means the human being or the humans is able to listen only from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. If it is less than 20 or if it is more than 20,000 Hz, the human being or the human have no capacity to listen or to hear the sound. If we listen, if we hear, we may get some problem. We may lose the hearing capacity also. That is why we must and should avoid the noise or the high frequency sounds in our nature or in the surroundings. So if the excessive or unwanted sound is there in the environment is called as nothing but the noise pollution. Dear students, we must avoid the earphones and loud sounds in our surroundings. Why? Because it affects on your health. How? What are the hazards of noise? So if you listen or if you hearing the continuous noise, you may get a headache, loss of concentration, okay, tension, heart related problems, and you become mentally retarded if we listen the continuous loud sound or noise in our surroundings. That is why we must and should avoid the noise in our surroundings. So finally the audible range of frequency is 20 Hz to 20 Hz. If the frequency is less than 20 Hz is called as infrasonic. If the frequency is more than 20,000 Hz is called as ultrasonics. Some animals like dog, cat, bat, blue whale, so they have a very sensitive hearing capacity. They have a capacity to listen the sound even infrasonics as well as ultrasonics bound, but the human being or the human have no capacity to listen such sounds in our day-to-day life. So this is about audible and inaudible range of frequencies in the sound. Remaining concepts in the next class.